lovely people, and welcome back to Yoga with Kate. I hope you're all fit and well. Namaste to you all. Welcome to today's class, which is going to be an arm workout. Yes, an arm strengthening, toning class as well for those shoulders. It's going to be an intense dynamic class, a bit unusual to what we normally do in our classes, but fantastic for toning up for the summer. And without further ado, let's get started. Right, so I'm not going to lie to you, this class, our arms are going to be burning through lactic acid. You need to breathe on through that. So to start off, we're going to start off by just rolling our shoulders, just to ensure that our shoulders are nicely warmed up. So just a few nice shoulder rolls before we begin. Okay, so we're going to pop our arms out to the side. We're going to be starting these and we're going to be doing these for 30 seconds and swapping on over. So we're starting now. So keep your palms to the floor. We're just rotating forward. So nice little movements here. You're going to put your core in if you want to work a little bit harder. So nice deep breaths. So we'll work your shoulders as well. Great for toning your back as well as toning those arms. Nice deep breaths. Just nice rotations forward, keep going. And I'll let you know when we're swapping over. Okay, so we're going to rotate back now. So we're going backwards. Yet again, just little movements, palms still facing towards the floor. Nice deep breaths. Yet again, you should feel a bit of work going on in those shoulders as well. And breathe, nice deep breaths. Arms just starting to be feeling it a little bit now. It's working, we're toning those arms. Keep going. I'll let you know when we're swapping, keep on going. Okay, now we're taking the palms out to the side and we're going forward. So imagine your palms are flat against the wall, going forward again. This is working more the biceps than the triceps we were doing in the last one. Yet again, you should feel that burning sensation in the biceps, triceps, top of the arms. I know I am. Nice deep breaths. Let's keep going. Nice deep breaths. And I'll let you know when we're swapping over in a moment. We're going to be going backwards again. Yet again, we're going backwards again now. So working those arms backwards. Nice deep breaths. Keep going. I know you're not going to like me very much with these, but it's only a short practice today. To tone those arms and your shoulders and your back. Nice deep breaths. Stick with it. Keep with it. No slacking, please. A few more in this. I'll let you know when we're swapping over. Okay, so now we're taking the palms up to the ceiling. We're rotating the palms up and down. Imagine there's a ball and you're literally should feel that going on in your shoulders now. Nice deep breaths. Just 30 seconds of these. Keep going. So palms up, palms under, palms up, palms under. Keep going. You've got this. It's a short workout. If you did this every day for a week, you'll notice that your arms are lovely and toned by the end of it. Keep going, keep going. Okay, we're changing now. So we're taking the arms up. We're going out and in front. Keep going with this. Up, out, in front. Up, out, in front. Keep going. Nice deep breaths. I know your arms and your shoulders will be feeling it. Keep with that breath work. Keep that breath work. Okay, we're swapping over. So palms to the floor here and we're scissoring those arms. Okay, palms to the floor. Nice swift movements here. Keep going. Come on, you've got this. Nice deep breaths. So yet again, for your shoulders working in this one. Scissoring those hands. Make sure you're feeling those shoulders work. Okay, now palms up, same thing. Notice we're working more of the tricep by taking those palms out in front. Keep going. Nice deep breaths. Keep going, let you know when we're changing. Okay, so we're taking the arms behind us now. If you want to work your booty a little bit more, and we're doing upward pulses, okay? If you want to work your booty, bend those knees, stick that booty out, and get those arms going up. Get rid of those bingo wings. We don't want any bingo wings for the summer. Come on, stick with it. Pull that core in nice and tight. Keep going. Nice deep breaths. I'll let you know when this is changing. Okay, so we're going up and back now. Up and back now. So it's very similar to chair pose in yoga. Up and back for those shoulder blades rotating. Try and keep your core nice and pulled in and still. So you're working your core as well. Nice deep breaths. Stick with it. Come on, just a few more to go. Okay, so we're moving on now to some big arm rotations. So starting up, just fingertips point to the ceiling, and we're just rolling forward, okay? Relax those shoulders now in this one. So nice lateral movement going on. Nice deep breaths. So we're moving forward. Nice deep breaths. And you've guessed it, in 30 seconds, we'll be going backwards. Got to do both ways. Get the shoulders working a different way, and we're going backwards now. So up, back and round, up, back and round, up, back and round. Well done, keep going. I'll let you know when we're changing. Nice deep breaths. Do this every day for a week, as I said. Get nice toned arms, nice toned shoulders for the summer. Okay, so we're taking the hands in front, we're pushing the hands away from us, and we're taking the arms up and then out. Arms up and then down in front. Arms up and down, up and down. Keep going, up and down. So penultimate one, I've got one more after this to do. And then that's it, finish. So keep working, stay with me. No, it's tough. Arms raking, should have a bit of cardio benefit with this as well. Okay, so we're bending those elbows for the last one. Okay, and we're just taking the fingertips up to touch. So down, touch, down, touch, down, touch, keep going. Nice deep breaths. Come on, you're almost there now. Stick with it. Doesn't take long to tone those arms, just a few minutes a day. And I promise you, at the end of a week of doing these, you'll feel different. Nice deep breaths. And you did it. Well done to you. We're just going to give our shoulders a lovely roll back and down, just to warm down. Make sure your head and neck's nice and relaxed. And we're just do a little stretch of the right arm over the head. And then relax back, and then left arm the same. And then come back up to center. So thank you very much for joining me for this arm workout today to tone those arms, and it's great for the shoulders, so thank you. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how you got on. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I greatly appreciate it if you did. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care of yourselves. Om Shanti, which is peace.